Have you ever felt tired? Not physically, but deep in your soul? Like you wake up, and even after sleeping, something inside you still feels heavy. You try to pray, but the words don't flow like they used to. You try to focus, but your mind is everywhere. And slowly, you start asking yourself, what's wrong with me? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. You're not just tired. You're spiritually drained. And it doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes, it's because you've been pouring into everyone else. Encouraging people. Showing up. Being strong. But nobody is pouring back into you. Sometimes, it's because life has been hitting you back to back. Disappointments. Delays. Silent prayers. And without realizing it, your spirit starts to get weak. Not because you're a bad person, but because you're human. Now let me say something that might surprise you. Spiritual draining doesn't always come from sin. Sometimes, it comes from disconnection. You can love God and still feel distant from Him. You can be doing your best and still feel empty inside. Because relationship requires connection, not just intention. Think about it like this. If your phone is not charged, it doesn't matter how expensive it is, it will still go off. In the same way, if your spirit is not being recharged, you will feel weak, tired, and unmotivated. So how do you fix it? Not by forcing long prayers, not by pretending you're okay, but by going back to something simple. Connection. Start small. Talk to God like you're talking to a friend. Not a script, not perfection, just honesty. Even if it's just, God, I don't feel okay today. That's a prayer. Then, protect your space. Everything you listen to, everything you watch, everything you entertain, it feeds your spirit either positively or negatively. If you're constantly surrounded by noise, negativity, and pressure, your spirit will feel it. Sometimes, what you need is not more effort, it's less noise. Then there's something most people ignore. Rest. Not just sleep, but spiritual rest. Taking a moment to be still, to breathe, to disconnect from everything, and reconnect with God. Because healing doesn't happen in chaos. It happens in stillness. And finally, give yourself grace. You're not supposed to have it all together every day. Even strong people get tired. Even faithful people have low moments. What matters is not that you feel drained. What matters is that you don't stay there. Because the same God you feel distant from is still right there with you. You're not empty. You're just in need of a refill. And the beautiful thing is, God never runs out.